Take the biggest battery from one phone, the best camera from another, the fastest chip from somewhere else, and you get this. The Oppo Find X8 Ultra feels like the result of someone fusing every top-tier phone into one monster build. There's something really exciting about seeing a device that just says yes to everything, because it makes you wonder what the trade-offs are. But the real question is, does any of these make the experience actually better? Let's find out that today. From the front, the Find X8 Ultra might look like your typical 2025 flagship, flat edges, slim bezels, and a minimal vibe. But turn it around and that massive camera island instantly takes center stage. The frosted glass back paired with an aluminum frame feels sturdy and premium in the hand. The phone measures 163 by 76.8 mm and is 8.78 mm thick, which is pretty normal for a phone with this much inside. It weighs around 226 grams, which is heavy, but that weight comes with serious durability. This thing is rated IP68 and 69, meaning it's fully dustproof and can handle everything from rain to high-pressure water jets. The Find X Ultra has one of the best displays you'll find on any phone right now. You're getting a 6.82-inch AMOLED panel with a QHD+ resolution. So everything from text to video looks sharp and detailed. It supports LTPO refresh rates up to 120 Hz, which makes animations and scrolling feel smooth without draining the battery. Peak brightness hits 1600 nits, making it easily viewable outdoors, and the 2160 Hz PWM dimming helps reduce eye strain, especially at lower brightness levels. There's also an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor built into the screen that responds almost instantly. Under the stunning display, the X8 Ultra runs on a Snapdragon 8 Elite. Paired with 16 GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, this thing handles multitasking, gaming and AI features without breaking a sweat. By the way, I'm having the 1TB version. It's not just powerful on paper, it actually makes the everyday stuff feel unfairly smooth. Find X8 has a massive 6100 mAh battery, but it's not just bigger, it's smarter and it's better. It uses a silicon-carbon mix, which means Oppo's managed to fit more capacity into less space. That's why the phone stays slim while still lasting easily over a full day. When it does run low, it charges at 100 watts via cable and 50 watts wirelessly. That's full in about 30 minutes, faster than most laptops. It even reverse charges, so you can charge earbuds or another phone too. This phone has 5 cameras on the back. Yeah, 5. The main ones is a 1-inch 50 megapixel sensor, the kind usually found in actual cameras, which helps it pull in loads of light for sharper photos. Then you got 2 zoom lenses, one for 3x and another for 6x shots, both with big sensors so zoomed in photos still look clean. There's also an ultra wide for big group shoots and a small sensor that helps the color stay accurate, especially in weird lighting. The main sensor is a full 1 inch, which means it takes in a lot more light than typical phone cameras. You'll notice cleaner photos, smoother background blur, and better control in tricky lighting. The 3x and 6x zoom lenses both use large sensors too, so zoomed shots still look clean and detailed. You can shoot video in 4K at 120 FPS with Dolby Vision from both the main and 3x lens. The front camera is 32 megapixel and has autofocus, which helps it stay sharp even if you are not holding the phone perfectly still. Not just that, the Find X8 Ultra adds some subtle but surprisingly useful hardware controls. First, there's the new action button on the left, a customizable shortcut that lets you trigger things like D&D mode, the flashlight or the camera with a single press. Then on the right, just below the power button, there's the quick button, a pressure sensitive strip designed for zoom control when using the camera. It's subtle, but for everyday photography it works surprisingly well. ColorOS 15 on the Find X8 Ultra is built on Android 15 and it feels fast, with no delays when opening or switching between apps. The layout is easy to get used to, even if it resembles iOS in some areas like the control center and notification panel.